Angle between two lines. In this module, you will learn how to find an angle between two lines. We know that when there are more than two lines in a plane, then these lines are either intersecting or parallel. Let us try to find the angle between two lines in terms of their slopes. Let L1 and L2 be two non-vertical lines with slopes M1 and M2 respectively. We have to find the angle between L1 and L2 whose inclinations to the x-axis are alpha 1 and alpha 2 respectively. Let acute angle theta be the angle between the lines L1 and L2 and phi be the adjacent angles. Then we have alpha 2 is equal to theta plus alpha 1. Therefore, theta is equal to alpha 2 minus alpha 1, where alpha 1 and alpha 2 are not equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, on taking tan on both sides, we get tan theta is equal to tan alpha 2 minus alpha 1. This is further equal to tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 over 1 plus tan alpha 1 into tan alpha 2. Let tan alpha 1 is taken as M1 and tan alpha 2 is taken as M2. On substituting these in the above formula, we get tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 over 1 plus M1 into M2, where the denominator is not equal to 0. Name it equation 1. Since phi is an exterior angle between the lines, then phi is equal to 180 degrees minus theta. Name it equation 2. On taking tan on both sides, tan phi is equal to 180 degrees minus theta, which is equal to minus tan theta. Therefore, from equation 1, minus tan theta is equal to minus M2 minus M1 over 1 plus M1 into M2, as 1 plus M1 into M2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, the acute angle theta between lines L1 and L2 with slopes M1 and M2 respectively is tan theta equal to mod of M2 minus M1 over 1 plus M1 into M2, as 1 plus M1 into M2 is not equal to 0. Similarly, the obtuse angle phi can be found by using equation 2. Let us now consider two cases. When M2 minus M1 over 1 plus M1 into M2 is positive, and when M2 minus M1 over 1 plus M1 into M2 is negative. Let us consider the first case. In this case, tan theta is positive, so theta will be an acute angle. And tan phi is negative, therefore phi will be an obtuse angle. Case 2. If when M2 minus M1 over 1 plus M1 into M2 is negative, then tan theta is negative. So, theta will be the obtuse and tan phi is positive, and therefore phi will be an acute angle. Let us consider an example to find the angle between the lines PQ and QR formed by joining the points P of minus 2, 1, Q of 2, 3, and R of minus 2, minus 4. Solution. Let theta be the angle between the given lines, M1 be the slope of the line PQ, and M2 be the slope of the line QR. Since we know that slope of a line, when the coordinates of any 2 points on the line are given, is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here for the line PQ we have, therefore the slope of PQ is given by 3 minus 1 over 2 plus 2. This is equal to 1 over 2. Similarly, for the line QR we have, therefore the slope of QR is given by minus 4 minus 3 over minus 2, minus 2. This is equal to 7 over 4. Since we know that the angle theta between the given lines with slopes m1 and m2 respectively is tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 over 1 plus m1 into m2, as 1 plus m1 into m2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, on substituting the values in it, we get tan theta is equal to mod of 7 over 4 minus 1 over 2 over 1 plus 7 over 4 into 1 over 2. On solving it further, we get tan theta is equal to 2 over 3. In this module, you have learned how to find an angle between two lines.